Yeah, I promise. Oh. Anong kanta nga ba yun? Nawala din. Tulad yung kumanta doon sa Pamana, no?
Now there you go. Yeah. I'm taking you. Let me see. It's charging, my dear. Oh, good. It's charging yan. I love you. Kasi ganyan ang ginawa namin.
That's our birthday girl over there.
Huh? You get some energy from my phone.
Oh, there's a plane. Ay, karamba. Tingin dito. Wave!
You're taking her.
Wave! May wave na naman. Wave! Wave!
I'm happy because I was able to do both. We're picking up my friend from they're coming from Vancouver.
Oh!
Wow. My husband don't know them, so he's that what time is it? 5. So we have time. Yeah. Yes, they probably right. Everyone is not happy.
Now you have guests?
No, that
You have to pick them up. Just tell him it's not going to be every day. It's just once in a blue moon.
Yeah.
I know.
Today is a special
sabi
day.
ko lang sa... Oh.
Where? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. It's like a farm.
Parang Newport. They just hang out.
Oh, may mga ano na.
Oh, hindi ka pwede. Hindi pwede siya lang.
Oh, sige, mag-ano na tayo. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon. May singer pala akong katabi dito. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes. What's my channel? Elderate.
I was just like
I'm
trying to
signing
get
off.
everybody.
Bye.